Yeah. Okay, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be getting my vlogging equipment, my cameras, stands, everything, ring light. So, um, follow me as I'm going to do this unboxing. So we are finally at the iPhone shop. So it's time for me to choose the one I will buy. I think I like this iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's the latest one. Yeah.
I got a switch in my head, I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red, now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said, I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget, so now you have a few debts. That shit, it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear.
Hey guys, I'm back from buying the video stuffs. So right now I want to unbox them and show you guys what I bought. Okay, this is the first one. That's the ring light. So let's see what's inside it. So
This got an opener. I don't know what this is.
okay, that's the ring light. 18 inches.
Wow.
18 inches selfie ring light. Set with Bluetooth 360-degree rotation and men's power.
You need to see the manual.
Well, I think the stick. No, I think this is for holding the phone. Yeah,
What about the stick?
the stick is inside. Bring out this. Bring its stuff. You see the stick? Check there.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. Sorry, so that I won't get you. You know, there are a lot of Chinese people here.
Inside the bank, right?
I'm telling you, everywhere you go, the bus station, Chinese everywhere.
Chinese.
At some point, I thought I was in China. Like I was just like, oh my god, where the hell am I?
I'm telling you, where I work, they are all Indians, and I'm the only black person there.
Okay, so that's the.
I don't know how it's gonna work.
Well, that's the tripod. Yes, that's the tripod, guys. That's the tripod. But I'm sure it's not supposed to be like this. So, but let me just set it down like that. And that is the ring light. So what's inside that white box? Is it a Bluetooth controller?
This no. I think it's
Okay, it's the okay.
adapter. What about
Okay,
this?
that's I don't know.
I think
It's like a remote.
remote.
Okay,
Yeah.
I think it should be a remote because it's written here Bluetooth remote to control phone wirelessly.
Wow.
Okay. All right. So let's go to the next item. This is the phone. That's the iPhone I will now be using for videos. So okay, that's a pack. So this is the charger. This charger was like how many dollars? Everything is expensive here. Okay. So now that's the phone.
This is like what the screen.
Yeah, that's the screen.
Protected.
That's the screen.
Okay.
Screen guard.
Okay, let's unbox this.
This is Okay, so that's the.
I'm so excited for you. I'll be taking photos in this.
Wow.
You get sick of me.
Yeah, so that's the new iPhone 14 Pro. That's the new baby.
Look at that.
So I'll now be shooting my videos with this guy here. So no more poor quality videos. And I also have a ring light and a tripod. So the videos won't be shaking anymore. Yeah, that's the charger, and the charger head I bought that one differently. What is this? So they said I have to maybe create my iWatch account. I've never used an iPhone before. Yeah, iCloud stuffs like that. Yeah, I've never used an iPhone before, so it's going to be my first time.
Don't worry, your roommate knows.
So guys, I don't know what you guys think of this phone, but of course I'll be sharing my review about the phone. And I was told that if I use the phone within 30 days and I don't like it, I can bring it back, and then they'll refund me my money. Did you hear?
Huh?
Like, I was told that if I don't like the phone, like within 30 days of using it, I can bring it back, as long as it's not physically damaged. I can bring it back and get my money back. So that's one of the advantages of staying in a place like this, because you can't get this kind of offer in Nigeria.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true.
So okay, I think that I don't even know whether I should set this thing up now. I don't know how to set it up, but guys, when I set it up, I will let you know. For now, you've not started? Is it recording? Okay, why is this thing shaking like this? What the hell is this? So this one is tight now. Okay. So this one is where the phone will be. Okay, I think it should be something like this. No. Okay. Got it. Okay, I think I need to lose this thing small. Oh wow. Yeah, I need to lose this thing.
Okay.
Then I now put this guy here. Okay, that's perfect.
We can't see. Can you? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Don't worry guys, after now you won't have poor video quality anymore, because I'm ready for you guys. Very, very ready. I don't know if I can change the length of this guy. But I don't think so.
I think you can.
I don't think so. So now this is the phone. Okay. Wait though. Let me not damage Apple property. Okay.
Please don't drop our new phone now.
Eh?
Don't drop our new phone.
I know that it's not supposed to be like this, so it's not supposed to be like this.
So I think it's supposed to be like this. So you put this way up. And
Okay, this one can bend, right?
Yeah, like
okay,
that.
Then I can,
Yeah.
confirm. So yeah, this is how it will be. I think that, okay, let me try to put on this light. Let me see how bright the light will be. And I tried to shave today, but by the time I finished shopping at Kmart, the guy shaving, they already closed, so I couldn't shave. Okay, let's put this in. Okay, where am I plugging this one? Okay, at the back. Okay, I think the remote should be.
No, you press the power button there.
Press the line button and adjust to. Oh, I haven't switched on this. Oh, wow. See how bright this thing is. Okay, so I can adjust the brightness. Okay, this is to calm down, and this is. Oh wow, that's crazy. I think, okay, let me put it like this. Yeah. So I think I can change the colors. Okay, I can change the color. Okay. And I know that this thing will make me to be fine now. I'm sure.
Do you think so? It's just light.
It's just like okay. Yeah, I think that's it. So I don't still know what this thing does. This remote control.
It's for Bluetooth.
Yeah, but what's Bluetooth?
The phone's Bluetooth, I think.
Okay,
You connect
to
the
control the phone, right?
Yeah, I think if you connect the phone to the light via Bluetooth and then use that.
You use this one to control the. Anyway,
phone,
I'll read the manual, so I'll know what I have to do with this. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this thing is not upside down. No, please don't tell me this thing is upside down. So everything is finally set up, and the new iPhone 14 Pro. I hope it's gonna make my video qualities better and just interesting. So guys, keep an eye out for my videos. I'll be dropping videos every Saturday. Yeah, because I have my work here to do. So I'll just try my best not to mix the two. Yeah, so that none of the videos won't affect my actual work here, and my work doesn't affect the video. So I'll just try my best to keep you guys posted, just vlogging, telling you about the Australian culture, telling you about scholarships for those who are interested, talking about how I also got my own scholarship to study here in Australia. And yes, I'll also be providing reviews on the iPhone 14 Pro for those who want to get the iPhone 14 Pro. Yeah, but this is actually my first time using an iPhone, so I have to press the hell out of this phone this night, yes, before I can give you any review. So thank you so much guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe. I love you all. Bye bye.